Today I will be showing you how to make a baby go to sleep. As you can see, I have a very tired baby here. He's actually very tired, he's overtired. So if he cries, that's why. And I will be showing you how to get your own small child to sleep. Paris, any comments? One way to do this is bribery. Paris, if you fall asleep right now, when you wake up, I will give you pumpkin. If bribery doesn't work, then sleep. It didn't work. If that doesn't work, then sing them a lullaby, I guess. I don't know. Rockabye, shush, sleep, please. Sleep, yeah. I don't know any lullabies. Oh no, I accidentally recorded this. You do not realize how hard it is to record from inside of this tiny plaything where he wants to sleep. Paris, can you? Thanks. Paris, can you go to sleep, please? If that doesn't work, just leave them and hopefully they'll fall asleep.